Oh, kau pula sini.
Kadang-kadang hidup ni hidangkan kita dengan macam-macam rintangan. Kadang-kadang kita rasa macam rintangan-rintangan kita semua mustahil untuk kita atasi. Tapi selalunya, rintangan-rintangan kita boleh diatasi. Sama ada kita sedar ataupun tak. Contohnya, kaum lelaki ni kadang-kadang berat mulut nak minta tolong. Tapi kadang-kadang pula, kaum lelaki terlalu senang sangat nak luahkan perasaan. Sampai tak terfikir pasal perasaan orang lain. Aku rasa kalau kita belajar cara komunikasi yang lebih berkesan, banyak rintangan yang kita dapat atasi dengan mudah. Dan banyak juga masalah yang dapat kita elakkan.
Hi, Carl.
Yes, boss?
Can you please get me my coffee?
Yes, low-fat milk, no sugar, in 1 minute's time.
Do you know about the upcoming event?
Yes, yang the one dekat shopping centre kan? I think it's held next week.
I want you to be in charge of the logistics. Boleh?
Me? I'm the man for the job. Can. Saya buat.
I want you to update me every step of the way. Faham?
Every step of the way. All the way.
Daily, detailed report.
Daily, detail, reports. Just like how you wanted. Okay.
Good. Oh, one more thing.
Oh, your coffee. Yes, low-fat milk, no sugar, in 1 minute's time. Still hot.
Documents awak terbalik.
Hafiz? You dekat mana? I call office you daripada tadi, tak angkat pun.
I kan dah bilang you tadi, I won't be working today. I tengah on the way pergi business seminar.
Oh, it's today? Jadi pukul berapa you habis?
Tak lama lah, petang kita dah habis.
Kalau macam gitu, why not we meet up for dinner?
Tonight? Can.
Tonight at 8, kita makan dekat Great World. Okay.
Boleh. Okeylah, I see you tonight, okay? Okay, bye.
Okay, see you. Bye.
Hello? Macam? Okey. Daripada jauh aku ingat kau pakai kain langsir aku tadi. Dulu Ijal. Lepas tu Adam. Sekarang kau pula. Dah tahu nak pergi interview kerja, belilah baju smart sendiri. Satu seluar ke.
Aku mana ada seluar smart. Habis baju-baju office mana aku pakai. So tak payahlah. Minta gelas apa?
Ikhlas lah. Kira kan sekarang apa? Kau ni sell out lah.
Mak aku sakit. Habis kau cakap aku macam itu. Tak baik tau.
Gurau je lah.
Tak adalah, aku masih still stand by principles tu.
Principal ke non? Yelah, kau ni kan Cici. Dan Cici kan
non-conformist.
tahu tak apa. Talking about your mom, macam how is she? Okay.
Semalam aku tengok dia okey. Lebih tadi pagi pun aku tengok dia okey. Alah, tapi aku tahu dia action terror je lah.
Gila, mak kau tu orang yang tabah.
Macam okey?
Okey lah. Tapi aku rasa kau mesti pergi shopping jugalah. Aku recommend kau two places. Satu Zara Kids and the other one apa? Kiki Lala. Aku tak tahu masih ada ke tidak sekarang.
Nak kena silat.
Okay.
Bila kau belajar silat pun aku tak tahu. Macam betul je.
Hello sayang. Macam apa tu?
Yang. Sini. I nak tunjuk you gambar. Jom.
Wah, cantiknya. Kat mana ni?
Yang ini dekat Mauritius. Yang ini... yang ini dekat Honolulu.
Exotic locations for newlyweds?
Azhar, you tak nak pergi ke? Oh, terlalu mahal Okey. Kalau terlalu mahal... Yang ini for the budget traveller.
Okay.
You nak pergi tak?
Kita dua je.
Kita dua je, Imagine, kita dua jalan kat tepi pantai, tengok sunset together, wishing the moment would last forever. Tapi kalau you nak pergi honeymoon kat tempat lain...
Honeymoon? Belum apa-apa lagi you dah fikir pasal honeymoon? Duit kahwin you dah fikir ke belum?
Kita dua-dua ada stable job. I pun ada savings. Kalau nak, bulan depan pun kita boleh kahwin, Amit. We are going to get married eventually, kan?
Adam, kahwin ni bukan main-main tau, Adam. Bukan pasal nak pergi honeymoon je tau you kahwin. Ada banyak lagi benda you kena consider.
Like?
Like... Can we just drop this?
And yeah, I want to discuss with you about the price rates. Why is it different this time around?
Reports.
One moment, boss. No, I'm not talking to you. Are you my boss? No, you're not, right? Then, I'll talk to you later lah. Son.
Explain.
Bos, saya satu hari cuba uruskan deal kita. Jadi saya tak ada masa untuk buat report, bos. I will have it done by the end of the day.
Kata no problem.
Memang pun no problem, but I will have it done by the end. I put it on your table.
No. After lunch.
Okay, saya cuba.
Cuba. Make it happen. Ingatkan boleh pergi kari. Tapi kalau macam ni lah cara dia kerja, nampaknya I have to babysit you.
Bro. Yang pasal aksiden tadi tu, aku betul-betul sorry Apa? Tadi aku tengok kau tengah minum apa. Okey, macam ni. Aku buatkan kau kopi. Kau tak minum kopi kan? Settle? Tak nak? Okey. Okey, tak apa. Okay, kita berbual. We get to know each other better.
Know each other better? Aku dah tahulah kau ni siapa. Ini dia suka tolong orang tu kan? Tak salah kan, tolong orang? Team leader tak patut tolong solve problem subordinates. Team leader let subordinates solve their own problems. Let them learn.
Okay. Tapi aku not just a team leader tau. I think I'm more of a team player.
Patutlah bertahun-tahun kat sini.
Bro, Apa maksud kau ni?
Oh, tak ada. Just that, in less than a year, I'll achieve more than you ever have. And I'm not your bro.
So you received my email, and you have agreed to become the MC for my upcoming event. Okay, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to work with you. Yes. Please call me if you have any inquiries, okay? Okay. Bye-bye. Take care. Hello. Yeah, I'm calling from Fresh Food Events Company. This is Haikal speaking. Yeah, I called you regarding the other day about your catering services. Yeah, so you guys have agreed to cater for 850 packs. Right, so I can tell it's confirmed, right? Okay. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Haikal, jangan lupa report.
Yes, bos. Masih tengah tak report ni sekarang. Bos balik pukul apa? Okay, alright. Pukul 6, eh? Okay, then I have everything prepared on top of your table when you come back. Okay. Thank you, bos. Print. Settle! Woo! Lecak lah.
Haikal.
Yes, boss? Oh, coffee. Low fat milk, no sugar.
Awak lupa satu benda.
Tak mungkin lah, bos. Saya dah buat semua arrangement.
What is your wet weather plan? Awak dah sewa tentages?
Oh, saya terlupa lah, bos. I'll go at it now.
Awak sepatutnya dapatkan tentages tu dari mula.
Yes, boss. I agree with you. Saya order the tentages sekarang juga, okay?
Mana checklist awak? Ini events. Bukan chalet buat suka-suka. Sekarang awak faham kenapa saya minta daily reports?
Yes, boss. I understand now. Now, if you give me a chance, I will order the tentages.
Sit. Awak lupa landscapes. My goodness. And you said you were capable. And it seems now I have to spoon feed you. I expected more.
I'm sorry, boss. I will make all the...
Go!
Very well versed in the English language.
No, miss. I can speak and read English, but basic English. But if you ask me to write in English, then I'm not so good.
Do you realize that, Mr. Hussein, this job requires you to write reports in English every day? And do you know how to use basic computer programs like Excel and Word? And I'm assuming that you do know how to use email, Mr. Hussein.
Not really, miss. But I still can learn. I'm still quite young. I can still work, ma'am.
This is not a matter of youth, Mr. Hussein. This is a matter of skill. And this company needs workers that are skillful.
Please, miss. I need to get this job. I went for 20 interviews this week already. But if I'm single, I don't care to go another 50 interviews. But now, I need to get the money for my wife.
What's wrong with your wife, Mr. Hussein?
My wife is very sick. She got brain tumor. And the doctor said probably she need an operation. But the treatment cost is very high now.
You do know, Mr. Hussein, that if, and there's an if, we were to offer you employment based on qualifications, your salary is probably insufficient to cover the cost of your wife's medical treatment.
It's okay, man. It's okay. But at least I can bring back some money.
Okay, but we'll have to send you for courses to upgrade yourself. Can you do that?
Yes, I will. I can. When can I start?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Thank you very much, miss. Thank you very much. I will come back tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Kerap kali, masalah timbul sebab kita tak jujur dalam komunikasi kita. Kita tak jujur dengan orang lain yang cita-cita kita betul-betul penting dalam hidup kita. Kita tak jujur dengan orang lain yang kita sebenarnya perlukan pertolongan. Yang paling teruk, kita tak jujur dengan diri kita sendiri. Tapi kadang-kadang pula, kita terlampau jujur dengan niat kita pada masa yang kurang sesuai. Aku cuma boleh harap kawan-kawan aku dapat komunikasi dengan lebih jujur dan berkesan. Sebelum hidup diorang jadi penuh dengan masalah.